Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video to show you what I have from the Cricut mystery box. I just got it and I can't wait to open and use them. So as you can see, I start to use this already. This one is holographic vinyl in pink rose. It's gorgeous. It has very shiny glossy color, and it changes with different lighting. So I used it to make those little stickers for my lotion bottle. Look how nice it is. Anyway, let me just show you what I have in this mystery box. First of all, we have foil iron-on in red. It's a true red. And this is our everyday iron-on mesh in raspberry. It's getting a little pink. And we have everyday iron-on in cherry, very deep color. And then this is a sport flex iron-on in metallic rose gold. I have this color before and it's very easy to use, and it goes well with a lot of the objects. So these are the iron-ons because they're all purple stickers. And then we have removable sticky vinyls as well. So I showed you this one earlier. And then you have premium vinyl in tomato red. And then you have premium vinyl in fuchsia. And then last, for the sheet, you also have infusible ink transfer sheet in watercolor splash. They're all very nice colors. You guys know how much I love my pink, and I'm sure I can use them a lot. Also, you have a Cricut tool. It's a weeder in pink. And last but not least, you have this little guy here, Cricut Cutie. It's in rose. So this is your Cricut mystery box in Berry Blast. I hope you get one too. And you do need to become a Cricut Access member to get these boxes. So you guys know we just moved into a new house, so there has been a lot of home decoration projects, and I will be using Cricut machine a lot, make labels and make DIY stuff. So I hope you come join me and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next one. Bye.